What are the key activities and resources in our value chain that contribute the most to our value proposition and customer satisfaction? How do external factors like market trends, competition, and regulations affect each component of our value chain? Where can we improve or innovate in our value chain to enhance competitiveness and efficiency? If you're wrestling with questions like those, this video series is for you. In this series of videos, Growth Innovation Strategy walks you through how to design your own strategy step by step, taking you from data points to a point of view. Let's get an overview of the process we'll help you with. Whether you're working with McKinsey, Bain, BCG, Deloitte, or GIS Consulting, the strategy process is the same. In this video, we'll be talking about determining the context you're working in, and the framework we'll use is value chain analysis. You can do the analysis at a couple of different levels. Industry value chain analysis asks, are your problems alone, or do they affect everyone like you? As it happens, the Porter's 5 Forces model in the next video answers many of the same questions. Your value chain highlights where there are opportunities to find those efficiencies in your organization. It also shows where your organization already has pockets of strength and resilience. We'll drill in on that in this video. But even the most important organization can become irrelevant. Considering your place in your client's value chain will keep you honest there. We'll also talk about that in this video. We want to understand how efficiently we're adding value to our customers and where our points of vulnerability and resilience hide inside our organization. There are 3 benefits to doing value chain analysis. The first is enhanced value and efficiency. Value chain analysis shows where value is added in your operations, highlighting opportunities to improve product or service effectiveness. The analysis can aid cost optimization or innovation, allowing companies to operate more efficiently and allocate resources effectively for maximum value creation. The second benefit is in strategic advantages and decision making. You can gain essential insights into where you need cost management or process improvement. Finally, customer centricity and market focus. By examining the value chain from the customer's perspective, you can align operations to customer needs, enhancing satisfaction and loyalty. The value chain is all the things you do to deliver value to customers using inputs from suppliers. It's how your people connect the parts or connect the dots, how your technology systems help make all that possible, and how your processes make that more efficient. It's important to review this from the customer perspective, since their needs can change, creating relevancy and disruption risks, depending on your organization and sector. As silly as it sounds, start by identifying your customer, who pays you, and work backwards. That's your current state customer value chain. Your value chain can be set up a couple of different ways, and here's a simplified view to start. At the top are all of the activities you do to create value. Below it are the support activities and functions that add expense but are essential to deliver for your customer. In a small organization, you can use a more granular balanced scorecard or even a simple red, yellow, green assessment to determine qualitatively where your organization feels pressure and resilience. For a quantitative view, useful to understanding the granular impacts and to drive improvement, your value chain can be set up a couple of different ways depending on your organization's complexity. If you only deliver one product, it might look like this, splitting revenue and expenses along the elements of your value chain from idea and sourcing to delivery. If you ship several products, you might build a table like this, showing the expenses and revenue created by each product line. While this shows a healthy profit margin for the company, it also shows some product lines are doing better than others. By drilling in further, you can see which expense groups are higher than average. Remember, that's all interesting, but it's just a snapshot. We're building a picture of our starting point. In the next 2 videos, we'll add to our understanding by seeing whether market forces will add tailwinds to help us or headwinds that make our shortcomings true vulnerabilities. That's how to create and use this element of strategic analysis, and here's a look at the context again to see where it fits in. That's our overview. If your organization has purchased access to our GIS strategic process, you can watch step-by-step tutorials to answer each of the 9 critical questions on the way to developing your strategy. If you would like access to this series and don't have it yet, follow the link in the notes below or reach out to strategy@growthinnovationstrategy.com. If you think you need more, such as a strategic plan assessment or review, would like help from GIS to conduct strategic planning facilitation, want GIS to work with your team from start to finish to create your strategic plan, or want GIS Group to provide strategic plan support to ensure you get traction and build operational momentum out of your strategic plan, reach out to strategy@growthinnovationstrategy.com. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more updates like this one. If you would like to take the full strategy course, visit the link in the comments below. Thank you.